I believe I requested these because I love a gaucho, right? And 1 inseam, 25 inches. You can see I'm wearing this cute little, like just above the ankle boot. And they go down to, you know, when I drop the pant, they go down to just the top, okay? Dream jean material, wide leg, but not too wide. Easy peasy. I love wearing these with boots. You can wear these with flip-flops or sneakers, whatever makes you comfortable. I'm wearing these in the espresso. Well, guess what? Today's your clearance price, 50% savings, $29.99 on a 653-576. 3 color choices here for you. Espresso that I'm wearing, black, which is an essential, and dark indigo. 96% cotton, 4% spandex, machine wash, line dry. We tell you line dry because we don't want you to lose any of the stones on the coin pocket there. I put my Dream Jeans in the dryer all the time. Have I lost a stone or two over the last 14 and a half years? Yes, I have. But I wear my shirts out. I rarely tuck them in, so I don't care. It's convenient for me. But you do you. You do what's best for you. So what I want to do is talk about the waistband on this. This is our classic waistband. But what we've done is we added a stitch in the middle to help prevent that twisting, which sometimes happens with an elasticized waistband. And then of course, this is that beautiful Dream Jean fabric, 96% cotton, 4% spandex, that you've come to know and love as our Dream Jeans. It's a knit French terry, yet it's dyed to look like denim. Nice fit on these, functioning front pockets here. Of course, our signature heart, that's our homage to Jean. Jean Bice, our founder, with the heart, because she loved this fabric, right? 3 great colors, the dark indigo, the black, and the espresso that I'm wearing. I really wanted to wear these, and here's why. Because when sometimes you write me on my social media, whether it's Angel Smedley or whether it's on the Quacker page, and you'll say, you know, I know, Angel, when it looks good on you, that it's going to look good on me too. I love the fit of these. I'm fuller in the middle, narrower here, right? But I feel as though these gauchos really help to even out my figure, right? Just even out my shoulders down to my legs. I love the length on these because you can wear them as soon as you get these home. But these are those pants that you don't have to take out of your closet when the weather changes. Maybe you're going, you know, you're going on a cruise and I don't know. I mean, my husband doesn't really like to cruise, so Alan, our producer, just said to me, why doesn't he like to cruise? And I really have not been able to get a clear answer from him. I was telling my 2 girlfriends that I had dinner with last night the same thing. I don't understand. I'm not getting a clear answer. So I have drugged him on 2 cruises. It's not a seasick thing. I don't know if it's a claustrophobic thing. I'm really unclear on that. Now I am dragging him though on a river cruise later this year, which is, no, in Europe. We're going down the Rhine. But I'm dragging him a little bit. So, but anyway, I digress. Maybe you are going on a cruise to the Caribbean or somewhere warm and you need a pair of pants that can work with, oh, I don't know, maybe a cute little jean jacket when it's cool on board in the evening with a great little top, like, I don't know, the floral top we just showed you, or a tank top or a t-shirt, whatever it is that you want. And you can wear these with sneakers or flip-flops. Maybe you love a knee-high boot or a bootie, that you can wear these now with a big chunky sweater or a cute little pet Valentine's Day top like I'm wearing. I wanted to wear the green with the lime because there's a little hint of brown embroidery on this top, and I thought it just worked really nicely, and I thought the green makes the brown pop. Or I guess the brown makes the green pop, I guess I should say. But these are comfortable. They're on a clearance price. You're saving 50%. You're saving more than you're spending. The original price on these was $64. And really you can pair these with just anything in your wardrobe. All right, I'm going over to the rack one more time because this jacket that we have coming up, this will be at the end of the show. Look at this cute little outfit. And when we say gaucho, I don't want you to think that these are unwearable, wide legs that you might see on the runway for New York Fashion Week or Paris Fashion Week or Milan Fashion Week, right? These are not crazy wide. These are wearable. They are comfortable. They're long enough, like maybe you're shorter. Maybe you have an issue where your legs get filled with a little bit of fluid and you need a wider leg and the jegging just doesn't work for you. We did have the jegging earlier in the show. Try a gaucho because they're just wide enough that you can move in these and they're super comfortable. You can see them on beautiful Brenda here. Brenda's 5'9", wears a double extra small, excuse me. And she is just wearing them with a cute little sneaker. You're seeing them here on Jacinth. She's wearing them with a cute little sneaker. And this, obviously, we showed these in the fall recently, so you can see why she's wearing them with pumpkins and a fleece jacket. But the point is you can wear them in the fall, you can wear these in the winter, and you can wear them with a cute little sneaker or flip-flop when the weather gets warmer, especially if you don't like to show your legs that much. You know, you can just wear these and it still feels airy and comfortable and cool. And it's in that Dream Jean fabric, which is a knit French terry that is dyed to look like denim. One inseam here. You don't even have to think about it. 25 inches on the inseam. 3 great color choices, whether it's the espresso that Jacinth and I are wearing, or it's black, or it's the dark indigo. Which are you going to choose? You take advantage of the Easy Pay, $10 on Easy Pay, and you could get multiple pair. Maybe you think to yourself, Angel's crazy. Well, I am a little crazy, but just go with it. Go with it. Go with me, right? Maybe you're thinking, I can't wear a gaucho. I'm here to tell you, why can't you wear a gaucho? Why not? They're fun, they're easy, and they are so comfortable. And 200 of these have been ordered. We're getting a little limited in the dark indigo. So just keep that in mind here. And again, I forget where I got my boots. I don't think I got them from QVC, but if you write me on social media, I can share with you the brand and everything. Since I didn't get them from QVC, I don't want to tease you on that. But you could wear, I don't know, I'm going to say it again. Boots, sneakers, flip-flops, whatever it is. In the past, I've worn these with a knee-high boot, and I've just pulled on. And then it just looks sharp. It looks pulled together. Wear this with a jacket and a turtleneck. Wear these with a chunky sweater. If you're thinking to yourself, ooh, I have a concert coming up in February, I could wear them with a really nice low-heeled riding boot. Yes, you can. How about getting these, wearing this with that wisteria top and a boot for right now? That is the beauty of a gaucho, because it really is seasonless. You can wear them all year long. You're not limited. And the fabric is soft and comfortable. It's fabric that you've come to know and love with us. 96% cotton, 4% spandex, 1 inseam, 3 great colors, 50% off. We have them in the espresso. I lost my mind for a minute and forgot the color. The espresso has been the most popular, by the way. We also have dark indigo. I know we're a little more limited in the dark indigo. Just about 200 remain here. And finally, the black. Don't miss out on the black. Dyed to match inside and out. $29.99 on these pull-on gauchos. By the way, you're the first one to see this low price. I love when we can do that in the Quacker Happy Hour.